Hey Kathleen, this is Steve Dahl up at Jackie Cooper Infiniti, and I wanted to give you a brief tour of several of the QX80s that we have in stock, the pre-owned inventory. I've got a couple Hermosa Blues, this white one, a 2014 titanium, and I've got this 2017 black on graphite that I think is really going to be of interest to you. Give you a quick video tour wraparound. It's in great shape, only 33,000 miles on it. Tour of the front dash. LCD display. Heated and cooled seats in the front. Power flip down in the back. One of the interesting, it is all-wheel drive. And it has the rare feature of the bench seat in the back rather than the captain's chairs. Increases your seating capacity from 7 to 8. You can give me a call back, 918-806-8233. Again, this is Steve Dahl, and I'd love to have you come on in and take a look at these vehicles. Bye.